Okay, so we are going to try the free version of a self-recording audio program called Follow Me, which is a very annoying demo because it prompts you every 5 seconds to try to purchase it online. We're not going to do that today. However, it is a useful program for anyone attempting to learn accent reduction or to imitate a certain kind of accent. So we're going to go ahead and open that program, take a look at it. So here it is. Already it's trying to get us to buy it. So instead we're just going to try. We've got some options here. To open a file, we go to the upper left hand corner here and we're going to open a file. We already have a sound file available, so we're going to pick one of those. Soon it's going to ask us to buy an online version again. Again, we are going to choose a QuickTime video of a famous actor, Mr. Cary Grant.
Who are you kidding? You have no feelings to hurt.
And this will repeat this little clip over and over again.
Who are you kidding? You have no feelings to hurt.
So
Who are you kidding?
we're going to interrupt it. Now down here it has a little function called Follow Me Mode, which will allow you to record your voice after whichever recording, in this case Mr. Grant's voice. Here we can change the speed at which Mr. Grant is speaking or which our voice plays back. We can move to start point of the speech or wherever it's happening 1 second before. We can set the current position as a start point. We can move the start point forward for a second. We can move the end point backward 1 second, and we can set the current position as the end point, as well as moving the end point forward for 1 second. And we can move the segments backwards and forwards. But instead, we're going to choose this Follow Me section or segment and see how that works for us. After, of course, they ask us to buy it again.
You have no feelings to hurt.
Who are you kidding? You have no feelings to hurt.
Who are you kidding? You have no feelings to hurt.
Now we'll see once I hit this try, instead of buy button, it should play my voice and Mr. Grant's voice so I can compare the two. Who are you kidding? You have no feelings to hurt.
Who are you kidding? You have no feelings to hurt.
Pretty cool. So if I'm trying to learn to speak like Cary Grant, I can certainly spend some time trying that. I can of course pick any other sound files I like, and I can also use video files. So as you can probably see, this is a very useful example of using technology for the purpose of accents. If I wanted to learn a British accent, say I was an actor, or if I'm learning a second language and I want to learn to perfect my American accent, or whatever accent in whatever language I'm trying to learn, this could potentially be very useful. In any event, it's recording me now saying, who are you kidding? You have no feelings to hurt.
Who are you kidding? You have no feelings to hurt.
So we're going to stop
it's
that.
It's recording me now saying, who are you kidding?
We get the idea. And up here it has various functions. We can also choose the mode from up here and the speed with which things happen, as well as the points at which we start the cursor playing. Same functions that we see down here are also available up here. There's an introduction, which is perhaps a better introduction to the program than I offered, available also. You can register officially to buy it. It costs about $30 for a year's worth of recording. Here we have a place where we can pick our files.
Are you kidding? You have no feelings to hurt.
And that's about it. It doesn't get much simpler than that. I like the fact that it's very simple. It's probably worth the money, although I haven't figured out a way to really buy it just yet or what format they're going to send it in. Anyway, thanks for your attention.